Nurturing your tresses. The impact of vitamins on hair growth. Who doesn't look for luxuriously thick, radiant hair that captures attention? While our genetic makeup certainly influences the condition of our hair, we have the power to enhance its health through controllable factors, with nutrition playing a pivotal role. Among the essential nutrients, vitamins emerge as key contributors to hair growth and overall hair well-being. In this video post, let's delve into the vitamins that serve as catalysts for your crowning glory. Vitamin A, the cornerstone of hair health. Vitamin A stands as a nutritional powerhouse, facilitating the production of sebum, the natural oil that nourishes the scalp and sustains healthy hair follicles. It's instrumental in fostering the growth of new hair cells, thwarting dryness and brittleness. Foods abundant in vitamin A, such as sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and kale. It can significantly contribute to vibrant tresses. B vitamins, internal nourishment. The B vitamin family, encompassing biotin, B7, niacin, B3, and cobalamin, B12, assumes a vital role in stimulating hair growth and preventing loss. Biotin, in particular, is renowned for fortifying keratin, the structural protein in hair. Nourishing sources like eggs, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens offer a rich supply of these B vitamins. Vitamin C, strengthening with collagen. Beyond its immune-boosting properties, vitamin C contributes to collagen production, a fundamental protein fortifying hair strands and averting breakage. Fruits like citrus, strawberries, and vegetables like bell peppers harbor ample vitamin C, fostering more resilient and healthier hair. Vitamin D, sunlight for scalp health. Dubbed the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is essential for maintaining a healthy scalp. It activates cells crucial for hair growth and acts as a preventive measure against hair loss. Natural sources, including sunlight, fatty fish, and fortified dairy products, ensure an adequate intake of vitamin D. Vitamin E, guardian against oxidative stress. Vitamin E, an antioxidant, shields the scalp from oxidative stress, promoting robust hair growth. Its circulation-improving properties guarantee that hair follicles receive a sufficient supply of nutrients. Incorporate almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach into your diet to benefit from vitamin E. Vitamin K, the unseen strength booster. Often underestimated in hair health discussions, vitamin K plays a crucial role in the proper deposition of calcium in hair follicles, enhancing hair strength. Leafy greens, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts offer excellent sources of vitamin K. In the pursuit of gorgeous locks, remember that a balanced, nutrient-rich diet is the cornerstone. While vitamins are instrumental in promoting hair growth, diversifying your food intake to encompass various nutrients is equally vital. Coupled with healthy hair care practices, such as gentle washing, minimal heat styling, and protection against environmental damage, a vitamin-rich diet can truly transform your hair into the vibrant and healthy mane you've always envisioned.